Okay, locate your fuse box in your car. For this vehicle, it's right here. And typically, if you flip the cover, it should tell you what the fuse identification, so you know which fuse is suitable for your application. You can also use the multimeter to test the fuse if that's a proper fuse for you. For example, what we're doing, the red wire is the ACC, the yellow wire is the B+, which means it needs power all the time. And the ACC wire only gets power when ACC is on. So we use this kind of converter to kind of jump the power. You just find the corresponding fuse and just plug into it to borrow the power. Once you get that done, you go back in the car, test the device. When you turn on the engine, see if the device turns on or not. Okay, so typically there is another fuse box inside the cabin, and for this vehicle it is a Lexus NX200, and the fuse box is right underneath the dash on the driver's side. So for your information, you may also use this fuse box for your dash cam. Okay, so now we're in the car. You want to place your window mount first. Try to place in the center of the vehicle and of the windshield, and then you want to plug in your I/O cable in there first securely, and slide the device onto the mount. You'll hear a click sound, and at this point, before you start hiding the wire, you want to test if the power is correct. So right now we'll go ahead and start the ACC. And you can see the device is powering on. Start the car. Then you should be hearing the light matrix boot up. Let's give it a minute.
Trip has started.
There you go. You hear the audio. The app is online.